everyone, welcome back to Chef Sandra Cooks. Today I'll be baking my Japanese dinner rolls. Golden brown, buttery, milky, and tender. They're versatile. You can eat them with butter or add all of your favorites like herbs, spices, and cheese. There are 3 components to my milk bread dinner rolls: the flour mix, the cooked roux, and the wet ingredients. In a stand mixer with your dough hook, add your flour, your sugar, instant yeast, and kosher salt. Whisk to combine and set aside. Meanwhile, in a small saucepan over low heat, melt your butter. Set aside to cool for about 10 minutes. You will need it later for your flour mixture. And now for the milk roux. In a small saucepan over medium-low heat, add your water, whole milk, and flour. Stir to combine. Stir to form a white roux, about 3 to 5 minutes. Do not allow the roux to burn. Stir often. Your roux will become thick when it's done. Set aside and let cool for about 5 minutes. Once your milk roux has cooled, place in a separate container. Add milk to your milk roux a little at a time until fully incorporated. Add your egg and continue to mix. The milk roux is what makes these dinner rolls so tender and slightly sweet. It's a Japanese technique that is very easy to make. Add your roux and melted butter to your flour mixture. On medium speed with your dough hook in place, knead for about 10 minutes. On a lightly floured board, tuck dough underneath itself and form into a ball. Place your dough seam side down in a large bowl and cover with plastic wrap. Place in a warm area in your kitchen. Let rise for about 1 to 3 hours. Once it has risen and doubled in size, remove plastic. Deflate using your dough scraper and place on your cutting board. Section your dough and weigh about 58 grams per roll. My Japanese milk dinner rolls are part of our Christmas dinner table, which you can see at the end of the video. Then stretch your dough gently and fold towards the center, creating a belly button. Then roll on the counter, belly button side down, until smooth ball forms. Continue forming your balls until you yield about 11 to 12 balls. Cover with plastic wrap and let rest for about 10 minutes. Once your balls have rested for about 10 minutes, place them in an 8-inch round cake pan. Cover with plastic and let proof until double in size, about 1 hour. Halfway through your proofing, start preheating your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Once doubled in size, remove plastic and brush gently with your egg wash. I added a little sprinkle of kosher salt for more flavor and texture. Place in oven to bake. Bake for 25 minutes and they are golden brown. Rolls will have a temperature of 195 Fahrenheit when they are fully baked. Once baked, brush butter generously all over your rolls. I added fresh rosemary to my butter when I was melting it to infuse the aroma. Serve warm with extra butter on the side. I hope you give my milk bread dinner rolls a try. Make them your own. Add herbs or some sea salt for a savory taste. Make sure to check out my other videos on how to make all these tasty dishes that you see on the table. Please subscribe, like, and thumbs up so I can keep bringing you more yummy videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.